Choose a sequence from the given. Already we discussed. Sequence means it will be separately, it will follow a particular rule. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. What the difference here? Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, which are separated by commas. So it is called sequence. Sequence. If they are added, it is called series. Right? Coming to the second question. Choose a series from the given. What the series? It should follow a particular rule also. See the second option. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Series means which are added or subtracted. See the common difference 2. So it is following arithmetic progression. So it is called series. Third one. 3, 5, 7. So on 2n plus 1 is an example of. See here separated by commas. Then it is called sequence. If they are added, it is called series. Fourth question. First 5 terms of the sequence. An is 3n plus 2. How many they asked? 5 terms they asked. First 5 terms. So A1, substitute n value 1, which is 3 into 1 plus 2, which is nothing but 3 plus 2, 5. So first term is 5. In the same way A2. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Next A3. 3 3 is 9 plus 2, 11. A4. 3 4 is 12 plus 2, 14. Next A5. 3 5 is 15 plus 2, 17. See here, arithmetic progression. Nth term of an AP. What they give? Sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. They're asking Tn. So at the first term here, A value 2. And the common difference is 4 minus 2, 2. Tn formula, A plus n minus 1 into D. Right? So find out A value 2 plus n they didn't give, minus 1 into D value 2. Simplify 2 plus 2 times n is 2n minus 2. 2 get cancelled. So nth term is 2n. Anyway, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. The sixth sum. Which of the following is an AP? Check that last one. 2, 9, 16, 23. Common difference should be same. What is the common difference? 7. Here 7. Here 7. So this will find the common difference. X plus y, x minus y, and x minus 3y. Common difference they are asking. Common difference means T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2. You always that is x minus y minus of plus minus x minus y. X get cancelled. So minus y minus 2. 10th term they are asking. 25, 27, 29. Here this is A and common difference is 2. 10th term they are asking. 10th term A plus 9D. A value 25 plus 9 into D value 2. So 25 plus 18, which is 43 to 9th. They give Tn, n square into n plus 1 by 2n plus 1. Then find third term. T3 they are asking. Substitute n value 3. 3 square into 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1, which is 9 into 4, 36 by 6 plus 1, 7. 10th one. Nth term they give as 2n plus 5. Then they're asking first term. T1 they're asking. Substitute 2 into 1 plus 5, which is 2 plus 5, which is nothing but 7. Is it clear? Coming to 11th sum. First term is given as minus 1. The common difference is minus 3. Then find T12. 12th term. Already A and D is given. So T12 formula. N value 12. So you can use A plus n minus 1 into D, which is minus 1 plus 12 minus 1 into D is minus 3. So minus 1 plus 11 into minus 3, which is minus 34. 11th sum. Nth term is given. Tn is given. 2n plus 5. Then find common difference. So common difference means you can use T2 minus T1. Let us find T1 and T2. So substitute 1, 2 into 1 plus 5, which is 7. T2 and value 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 5, 9. So common difference they're asking, 9 minus 7, which is 2. Common difference. Sum of n terms they're asking, 1, 3, 5 they give. Sn they're asking. So what is A value? 1. Common difference is 3 minus 1, 2. Sn we have a formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N value already n only, n by 2 into 2a. 2 into 1, 2 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. Simplify, you'll get the answer. Sum of p terms they give, sp, sn is ap square plus bp. Then what they're asking, common difference. First we need to find Tn. So Tn means Tp. Sp minus 1. Substitute here P, and then T1, T2. Anyway, common difference is T2 minus T1. We'll get the answer. First 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to plus 100. Sum of first n natural numbers, we have a formula. N into n plus 1 by 2. Substitute here, yes, 100 they are asking. So 100 into 100 plus 1. 101 by 2, which is 250 is. So 50, 50. That's sum. 2p plus 1, comma 13, comma 5p minus 3 are in AP. These are in AP. Then p value they're asking. So what is the common difference will be same. So T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. Substitute T2 value 13 minus of 2p minus into plus minus 1 equal to T3. 5p minus 3 minus T2 is 30. Simplify and transpose it. You will get p value. It's also same model. P minus 1, p plus 3, 3p minus 1. They are in AP. Again same. T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. Substitute the values. P plus 3, minus is the, be careful. Minus P minus of minus plus 1 equal to T3. 3P minus 1 minus P minus 3. Again transpose, you will get. Again 2K plus 4. 3K minus 7. K plus 12. Are in AP. Again T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. 19th. Sum of this series 258 up to sum is 155. We have a formula for Sn. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. A value is 2 and the common difference is 3. Sum of all the numbers between 1 to 100, multiples of 4. What are the multiples of 4? 4, 8, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, so on. Their sum again, and this will be A and the common difference 4. And find Sn using formula. Is it clear? If there are n terms which are in 4, 8, 12, so on up to 200, then find out sum of n terms. Sn they are asking. So already we have formula. A value is 4 and the d value also 4. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values. You'll get 1, 2, 3 up to so on are in AP. Sum of first 120 terms. S20 they are asking. So A is here 1 and common difference is 1. So Sn formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute. They asked why S120. N value 120. 120 by 2 into 2 into 1, 2 plus 120 minus 1 into common difference is 1. 120. 60 is that. So 60 into 2 plus 119. So 60 into 121. Tn is 2n square minus 5, which is in AP. Then the sequence is, now substitute 1 by 1, n value 1. So 2 into 1 square minus 5, which is 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Next, substitute 2 instead of n. So 2 into 2 square minus 5, which is 2 into 4 minus 5, 8 minus 5, which is 3. Next, T3 equal to 2 into 3 square minus 5, which is 2 into 9 minus 5, 18 minus 5, which is 13. So the sequence will be minus 3, 3, 13, etc. Enough. 3 terms are enough. 24th question. The next term in the sequence, 7, 12, 19, etc. See the common difference, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 7. Next will be 9. 19 plus 9 will be 28 will be the next term. They follow particular pattern. 25th. The fraction in the next sequence, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 8, 7 by 16. Observe the numerators 1, 3, 5, 7. Next will be 9. 2, 4, 8, 16. Next will be 32. So 9 by 32. 27th. 20 plus 19 and 1 by 3 plus so on. A sum they're asking. Here A value 20. And the common difference is subtract 19 and 1 by 3 minus 20. Then Sn they're asking. Use the formula. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And simplify. 40, 38, 36, so on. Then the sum is Sn. Again A value 40. D value 38 minus 40 is minus 2. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Because last term is not given. Substitute the value. 5x plus 2, comma 4x minus 1, comma x plus 2 are in AP. Then the first term they're asking. So if they are in AP, T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. So 4x minus 1 minus 5x minus 2 equal to T3 minus T2. X plus 2 minus 4x plus 1. 4x minus 5x is minus x. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. X minus 4x is minus 3x plus 3. Get this minus 3x this side. Minus 3 that side. Minus 3x means plus 3x minus x, 2x. Equal to 3 plus 3, 6. So x value 6 by 2 is 3. X value 3 means they're asking first term. Substitute here. So 5 into 3 plus 2. So 15 plus 2. 17. First term will be 17. 10th term is 9. And the 9th term is 10. Then common difference. D they are asking. 10th term is A plus 9D, which is 9. 9th term, A plus 8D, which is 10. Subtract. Minus, minus, minus. Cancel. 9 minus 8, 1D. 9 minus 10, minus 1. So common difference is minus 1.